This video provides an overview along with basic instructions on how to replace nylon tubing on coax hose. For this, you will need a new roll of 3/16 nylon tubing, Gorilla Tape, and new compression fittings to reattach the nylon tubing. Start by repulling the hose entirely off the reel, laying it on the ground fully extended as straight as possible. Next, disconnect the gun by removing the 3/16 tubing from the top, as well as removing the main 1/2-inch line from the back. In order to remove the 3/16 tubing from the top of the gun, you will need to cut off the existing compression sleeves. After removing the compression sleeves, keep track of the compression nuts as those are needed for reinstallation. With the gun removed, we will focus on the reel side of the hose. Start by removing the rubber sheet that covers the coax block. Remove the compression sleeve attachments from the gooseneck and at the coax block. Once these have been removed, remove the main section of hose. Once the 1/2-inch hose has been removed, the tubing will need to be pulled through the block. Cut off the old compression sleeves, keeping the compression nuts as they are required for reinstallation. Once you have disconnected the hose from the reel and the gun, you will need to tape the new tubing to the old. We found that cleaning the old tubing, as well as using Gorilla Tape, has given us the best results. When taping the tubing together, you will want at least 3 inches of tape extending up each piece of tubing. Once the tubing has been taped together, give it a few strong pulls to ensure it'll stay together. Now we are ready to pull out the old tubing followed by the new. Again, for best results, make sure the hose is fully extended and as straight as possible. Once the new tubing has been pulled through, disconnect from the old and reattach at the gun and the hose reel. Find more videos on technical and how-tos at gregsonclark.com.